On this video, I'll be showing you how to use a chronometer and a food weighing scale to track your calories effectively. It's time for me to make my fruit smoothie, and so you can join along and see how I weigh my food and use Cronometer app to accurately track the amount of calories that I'm taking in. I love my individual smoothie maker because if the whole family doesn't want a smoothie, I can just make one for myself. This is the food weighing scale that I use. You can get a link from the blog. And first thing to do, put your container there. And then if you don't want to be weighing the container, so you press the tare button and it comes to 0. Now I'll be putting my bananas on there. I've got 2 super ripe bananas here, which I don't want you to see, but you can see this is 214 grams. Today is my under 900 calorie day. So if I add in my banana, you just search for banana, raw banana, and change it here to 214 grams. Here we go. That's 190 calories. Next, I'll be adding soya milk. Now, I would have just used 1 banana if they weren't so ripe and I didn't want them to go to waste. But because I hate wasting food, I'll be consuming them both. Plus, I'm well within my calories. So what I'll do here is I will put this container on the weighing scale, put it down to 0. Now I will add my milk in. So I use this here to change the units. And once you get to mils, it's 131 mils of soya milk. Now, one thing I really like about the Cronometer app is that you can simply scan barcodes. So I'll be opening it up, scan the barcode, change the unit to mils, and add in 131 mils. There we go. That was 52 calories. Next, I'm going to add this high protein, low fat Greek yogurt. So again, I'm going to put this on 0 and then start adding my Greek yogurt. There we are. So we ended up with 122 grams of Greek yogurt. Again, the beauty of the Cronometer app is for free. You can scan your barcodes, makes life so much easier. I'm just going to scan the barcode, change the units here to grams, and change this to 122 grams because that's what I added. And there we are. That was 69.7 calories. Finally, there's a lot more stuff I could add. I could add chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, spinach leaves, kale, greens, walnuts. Today I'll be adding some cashews. These are quite calorie dense. I'm not going to add too many. I'm going to first put this down to 0 and then I'm going to start adding the cashews. Not too many, just 10 grams of cashews. I want to be careful with the calories here because I'm doing the 5-2 this week, which means I need to stay under 900 calories today. Going to the Cronometer app. Cashews did not come with a barcode, so I'm going to add in raw cashews and change this to gram. And here just stick in 10 grams. That's what I added. And that's 55 calories. Ordinarily, I would add my 5 grams of creatine and a scoop of plant protein powder with a smoothie, but I've already had this morning with my yogurt. Just added some crushed ice at the top. That's got no calories at all. And we are now ready to go. Here we go. Oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that huge smoothie, and this tastes so good. Honestly, I surprised myself. It's amazing. It's that super ripe extra banana I put in. It's made it so sweet. Perfect.